Good day, friends. Another AC pro tip with Paul here, using Frost King Weather Seal tape. Bring it in close here and show you that beautiful Frost King logo. See the little Frost King Weather Seal man? So that's pretty cool. This is what you want. I had a comment recently about asking, do I need to use weather seal tape? Can I just use clear packing tape? And the short answer is, I wouldn't recommend it because it's not going to stay on your unit. And weather seal tape, the beauty about this stuff is that it is impervious, basically impervious. I'm going to apply some over here on this side. It's basically impervious to the elements, well, at least to heat and cold, with the expansion and contraction of the temperature throughout the summer and the humidity. I'll be cooking that up momentarily. So you saw my previous video, these cool dowels I've got set up this season. That's something new. So that's going to work out pretty cool. And I'm just applying this here, this weather seal tape. It's a thicker tape than your packing tape. And again, it's made for this application. Okay, this is professional stuff. Yeah, it's going to cost you more than your dollar store duct tape, I'll tell you that. But it's worth it, guys. You're going to have really good weather seal around your accordion side panels. And I do this every year. Now, the second comment that was made about this weather seal tape recently was that won't it peel off the paint around my window frame? And the answer to that too, and I keep dropping that tape, the answer to that too is yes, it will. Unfortunately, through time, that is a good point, that it can, well, I should say it can, okay, peel away at the surface, depending what kind of surface you have, what kind of finish. If it's wood, obviously, and paint, you know, that will pull away. But, you know, this is just what I do. It's not that bad. I mean, you can see, I've used this unit here in this window. I think this is my third season using this here. And it really hasn't pulled away any tape. And, you know, gravity just wants my Frost King Weather Seal tape to be on the floor, apparently. But that's okay. You know what? We will persevere and overcome. I just got to find it. Just bear with me a sec. Hey, guys, while I'm back, I had to go find this tape, which literally escaped from me and was about 15 feet away. So just be aware that this stuff will roll across your floor if you drop it. I'll just finish up here if you guys can see the application, how I do this. Stay. And then I just go like this, get it right in that seam between the window and the window frame and the accordion panels. I got one more piece. You can also run it under the bottom of the AC unit along there. I don't think I'm going to do that this year, but I have in the past. This is a pretty good fit right now, and I'm pretty happy just going with that. So yeah, you get 25 feet of this stuff. It's 2 inches wide for, I think, about $6, if I'm not mistaken. But I've been a fan of Frost King as a company for years. They stand by their product. They've been around a long time. They're leaders in the weather seal space. So this is what you want. You know, you don't go with an imposter. Go with the Frost King, friendly Frost King guy right there. I'm going to zoom you guys in here for one more look of how cool that is. And post your comments below. Subscribe to my channel because I am the premier window AC professional on YouTube. Thanks for watching. You guys, stay cool. Okay, you're supposed to start. Thumbs up for energy saver mode.